To get started, open the software. This is the home plan, which is a 2D workspace where you can create and edit your floor plan. Below that, you can find the 3D view. This displays the floor plan in 3D, so you can visualize the space realistically. On the left side, this is the furniture catalog, which is a library of objects that you can drag and drop to your plan. Below that, this is the furniture list or furniture table. This is the list where you can see and manage all items placed in the plan. Clicking on the item, select the object on the plan. With these checkboxes here, you can hide and show your furnitures. At the top, you can find the menu bar, which contains the main menus like File, Edit, View, and more. It gives access all the core functions and settings of the program. And here, this is the toolbar, which contains the main tools for drawing, selecting, and editing elements in the plan. On the left, you can find the basic operation buttons. With these, you can create, open, or save your project. Next, this is the Preferences button. We will come back to this later. Next to this, you can find the standard editing tools, like Cut, Copy, Paste, and more. With this button here, you can add furnitures from the catalog to your plan. This function does the same as adding the furniture to the plan using drag and drop. Here, you can find the Select tool and the Pen tool, which allows you to move your view. And here are the drawing tools. With these buttons, you can create walls, rooms, polylines, or dimension lines, or even text. While with these buttons here, you can customize your text, which is already placed on the plan. Next, you can find the zoom buttons, which increase and decrease your zoom. You can do the same by holding down the Ctrl key and scrolling with your mouse wheel. Next, this is the magnetism tool, which enables many useful functions. With using this, you can draw walls at standard angles, and you can also automatically align furniture to walls and edges. Besides, you can snap doors and windows into the walls. They also align correctly when placed. With these buttons here, you can create photos and videos of your 3D view. Finally, these functions allow you to modify objects in the plan, for example by rotating, mirroring, or resizing. You can perform the same modifications more easily by using the small icons located at the corners of the objects. Now go back to the toolbar and click on the Preferences button. In this window, you can customize the software based on your needs and change many important things. For example, you can change the language, you can switch between imperial and metric units, or set your currency. You can also change the furniture catalog view from this directory structure to a searchable list with large icons. These checkboxes here allow you to enable and disable useful features in the 3D view. You can also enable and disable magnetism here, while here you can turn on and turn off the rulers and the grid. Next, you can change the default font, and change the furniture icon view from top view to catalog icon view. Here, you can set some default wall settings. And finally, here you can enable the autosave function and allow the program to check for updates automatically.